totally accurate battlegrounds. It's one of those games that don't look that much fun when you look at it, but when you finally get in the game, it's a whole bundle of fun to get into. The rules are straight and simple, and for the people that haven't played this game yet, I'll explain it quickly. First, you need to leave out of your flying semi-truck and land at an area that you find appealing to you. Next thing that you gotta do is get all the guns and attachments that you can get. Now for the remaining time of the game, just try to look for any conflict that you can find and just hope that you're the last one alive. I do highly suggest this game to you if you like these type of chaotic physics-based games. I won't waste your time much longer, so let's get this video started.
I feel like I can get this guy. His gun literally sounds like an airsoft rifle. Oh, frick. Never mind, I take that back. Okay. We are playing TABG today, guys. Okay, let's go see what we're going into today. I plan on being in the top 10 this match. I'm trying to figure out how to get up this house. Wait, we got a weird guy. He wants to know where I live. Oh! Okay, here's my idea. We go here. It's my least favorite area in the whole game, but I'll go here for you guys. Never mind, forget it. Oh crud, it's already a war zone. At least I got some stuff. Oh, no! Okay, I survived that. Frick you. Slingshot. Maybe I can get something out of this. Get me out of here, Spider-Man. Frick. P90. Time to go Modern Warfare on everyone here. I hear gunshots, but is that for me? Healing barrel, that is utterly useless. Okay, this is a battle royale. Let's get up here and get some kills. I need to feel like I'm good at this game. I feel like I can get this guy. His gun literally sounds like an airsoft rifle. Oh, frick. Never mind, I take that back. What the heck? Here's the cool part, guys. When you die, you're in heaven. And you get to go back if you're lucky enough. Oh no. Oh no. We're back. We're back from whatever the heck that was. Okay, we're landing. We're landing at Finland. That's where we're landing at. That's what Finland looks like. I actually never been here before. No, Finland sounds like a nice place, right? You know, so far. Sounds like a nice place so far. I really do hope nothing bad happens to me. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this P90 hasn't done me well, so I think I'm gonna switch him out for this bad boy. Look at this. This is a laser gun, for crying out loud. Do I look like I would really... Oh my. Dang it. Oh. Finland ain't so nice anymore. I'm not playing any games. Boom! Whoa! Got him. Oh, no, frick you! Oh my gosh! I killed myself! Dang it! Only 21st. My goal is to reach it to 10th place. Let's go conversate with players real quick, you know. Just to get to know who I'm dealing with. Make it personal. I speak in the way of intellectuals. I speak...
They all dead.
No, 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 no. I'm not gonna go let him go away with that. I'm not gonna go let him away. Hey, 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 you! Dang it, dude, you got the last word. I can see my house from there. Get up, get up. My body's stuck in the... It's out, it's out, it's out. Oh, dang it, bro. Everyone's got so much more ahead of me because I was stuck in that house for so long. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. It's the gun from Fortnite. Oh my gosh, guns. I remain. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I do want to get to the top. Oh. Freak. It's a fly in my face. I don't like. Jeez, bro. He's literally. Oh, jeez. He's going upstairs. Yes! Yes! No, spam it all. Perfect. But this bad boy, this literally has magazines on the side of the gun. I'm not getting rid of this. I'm keeping it, man. I'm putting that on there, and I'm putting this on here. And then I'm putting this over here. This thing is going to tell me on how much HP this guy is, so I can get some confidence on killing this guy if he's on like 20 HP. Oh. Where the heck am I? Oh. No, I was actually wondering if there's any chance. Oh, what the heck? It won't stop. Frick you too, man. Oh, the heck did he go? Oh, I see him. I got that little kid. Little kid, man. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go look back at this footage and just cringe so badly to it. Yeah, I just survived that. Took his taser. I took his soul. But I just realized this thing does not stop until it's fully gone. The magazine just empties out in one shot. We're gonna go inside this happy little home. If you go on top of this chimney and then crawl, you can go inside like Santa. Oh, that's such a jerk move to do to me. Oh, crud. What? Just run through. He won't notice. He won't notice. He won't notice. He's already caused enough of a commotion. I don't know why he did that. Okay. I think I got a fair amount of stuff. I'm running in the wrong direction. I should have taken that hole. Come on, please. If I can just... Oh. Dang it, man. Dang it. Going back and getting my loot if I could, but, that's most unlikely. Oh. the one thing that I hate the most. Oh geez, I'm already in the top 10. I don't even care then. Oh man, I love this. My body's stuck. To be honest, I think it's just gonna be a matter of hiding. So if I can go inside of a room and just hide there for the rest of the game, that'll be just grand. I hear planes, I hear explosions, and here I am. I'm silent. Oh, frig. I'll use this as my telescope. You are my eyes. Oh, well, not anymore. Well, that was enough of that. Okay, I got what I wanted, and now I can rest easy knowing that I got to the top 10. If you guys ever want to see more of this, then please love me.